All right, excuse me. So this graph is pretty complicated, but the graph we have here is 10x plus 12y equals 360. And so what I did is put it into Desmos. See, if you can see Desmos right here, I have 10x plus 12y equals 360. So if we look at this ordered pair right here, and I wonder if we could add I wonder if I can add something here to it. So let me see. I'm going to put this ordered pair right here. This is 0, 30, okay, and this is 36, 0. Now, if I look right there, okay, if I look right there, I can see that this point right here is 35 maybe. See it? Okay, so you see that 35? That's when x is 30 and y is 5. So what that means is, I wonder if I can label that. Well, let's see, 35. Come on, there we go. Now, let's see, no, done, don't want to do that. I want to put a point right there. 36, 0, 0, 30, those are your intercepts, okay? And I'm going to take this point right here, which is 35, all right? This is 35, so x is 30 and y is 5. So if I go right here and put a point right there, x equals 30 and y equals 5, that's another point that you could have as a combination of hours, okay? Now, moving on to number 12, let's get that one knocked out, all right? It says you have $24 to buy supplies for a class party, you have juice, and you have chips, all right? And the juice costs $3 per bottle, so we're going to let x equal number of juice bottles. And we're going to let y equal the number of chips. Number of chip bags. So if we do that, and if our total is 24, then it's $3 times the number of juice bottles, so 3x, and $2 times the number of chip bags, so 2y. All right, so this is your equation in standard form. So the x-intercept is 3x, 3x equals 24, so x equals 8, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is juice bottles. And y equals 2y equals 24, so y equals 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And this is the chip bags. Okay, so we're going to connect the dots here. All right, and then what do the x and y intercept represent? Well, the x-intercept, okay, this is right here, okay, so this is 8 juice bottles and no chips, right? This is 8, 0. So the x-intercept represents 8 juices, no chips. And the y-intercept represents 12 chips and no juices. 12 chip bags, no juices. Because it's 0, 12. Okay, so let's get this thing graphed here. We have 3x plus 2y equals 24. I'm going to put that in Desmos. Okay, so I'm going to add a graph. And it's going to be, whoops, I'm going to just delete this, okay? So it's going to be 3x plus 2y equals 24. Okay, so we can see our intercepts. This is 12 and this is 8. So let's go along here and see what we can come up with here. Looks like 6, 3. 6, 3 is a good combination. Okay, so 6, 3 is good. Is there anything more that we can do? We're going to go with 6, 3, folks. All right, so 6, 3 is a good number. So we'll go back and we'll hit up 6, 3. So 6, 3. Well, this represents 6 juice bottles and 3 chip bags. And what that does, okay, that's 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3. Whoops. Okay, which is right there, maybe? That's 6. This is actually 6, 3, so I gotta redo my line here. All right, let me see if I can get a better line. Did I get 6, 3 in there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh shucks, that's what happened. I should have had 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I missed 8 there. It's okay. So 6, 3 is right there. So what that does is answer this question. What other combination of drinks? And the answer is 6, 3. All right.